Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to share that I just reached 3,700 subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing. And for those of you who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm Guzelian, founder of Xtina Co. I make and sell candles. I also formulate my own candle blends and design my own labels. Everything I sell is handmade by me. This week, I did my best to film and record what I've been working on. If you're new here, I'm a wife and a mom of three, and yeah, it's a little crazy sometimes, but I love it. When I work, I don't really like to talk. I like to focus on what I'm doing. I wish I could talk like other YouTubers, but since English isn't my first language, it's kind of hard for me to talk continuously. I'm planning to start speaking in both English and Tagalog in my future videos. My goal is to get more comfortable and to let you all see the real me. I'm also curious if you guys will like it when I talk in Taglish or a mix of Tagalog and English. Don't worry, I'll put subtitles so you can understand. So yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. In the beginning of this video, I prepared all the tools and materials I needed to make the cloud part of the candle. What I do is melt the gel wax, add the white candle dye, and then add fragrance oil. Just make sure to follow your manufacturer's instructions. If you want to know where I got these cute cloud molds, I will link all the materials I used in this video in the description box. A lot of you have been asking where to buy these beautiful jars. I will put the link in the description box. I also sell candle wicks that are compatible with both gel wax and soy wax. These jars are specially made for candle making. I love using them because they really show all the details of the candles I create. am currently working on my website, and hopefully by this week you will able to see the products I use in this video listed right below. I'm planning to link the products I use in all my YouTube videos, so it's easier for you to find everything if you want to try making candles or support my small business. Okay, we'll do our best to put it in the middle. Key, middle, middle, middle. Yeah. Okay, she's in. Okay, looks good. And that's it for today's video, guys. This video took me a week to make, from creating, filming to editing, and everything behind the scenes. There's really a lot that goes into running a handmade business. So I love it if you could support us small business owners. Every product you get is made with so much care and love. Remember to spread love and kindness, and always keep creating, keep going. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew. We brushed and we braided dandelions and chew.